guys. Ito yung lechon manok natin. Tsaka ito yung rice natin. So, okay na siya. Okay natin ito. Isa. Ito isa sila. Si Baba. So, okay na. Tag-isa sila. So, I hope you like it guys. Thank you for watching. Ayan. Ayan yung rice natin with roasted chicken. Hello guys. Good morning. Good morning. How was you all guys? Have a nice day. Ready to work na naman guys. So,